at Electroma 2025, and we are having Mr. Gautam Seth, Joint Managing Director from HPL Electric and Power Limited. Let's start this conversation knowing more about HPL's experience in Electroma, what kind of footfall they are getting from here.
Yeah, hi. So we are participating here and we've been very regular in Electrama. Here at our stall, we have the latest range of smart meters. We are one of the leading companies of smart meters in the country, and we have a whole variety of meters, starting from smart meter and then going into every other application of meters. It's an end-to-end solution. Thereafter, then we have the switchgears, which are the industrial and the domestic switchgear. We have the lighting range, we have the solar products, then we have the wire and cable range, and the fans. So in all, we are a one-stop shop for all requirements of metering, switchgear, lighting, wire and cable, and for all kinds of applications, whether they are residential, commercial, industrial, or for city infrastructure, which is the municipal corporation or the utility. So it's a very wide range. Each and every segment of ours has been working on new technologies, looking at new launches. And here we are pleased to say that we have almost 14 new products launched only in the industrial switchgear segment, another 7 products in the domestic switchgear segment. So in all, 21 new products in the switchgear segment. In meters, of course, most of the range you see are pretty new because the technology is changing. And we have also launched a very unique meter where the RF mesh, the communication is inbuilt into the meter. So that has been one of the working our teams have done, and we have launched it with technology from Wirepass, Finland. And it was a joint development, and it's definitely the first of its kind meter in the country. In wire and cable, we have launched a lot of eco-friendly, energy-efficient cables. They are zero halogen or FRLS types of cables. In lighting, again, a totally new range. What we are, that's again a very dynamic sector. So in all, we have almost 170 people working in R&D who are continuously coming out with new products for various applications in India and for our global markets.
So, wrapping up this conversation, what are your plans for 2025?
So we are quite upbeat on the market. We basically are into 2 segments. So the smart meter segment is seeing a very good traction. We are currently sitting on orders of over 3,500 crores. So plus there is a huge demand, a pipeline of inquiries that the company can expect. So it's going to be very strong. In fact, in the next 2 years. When you look at the industrial and the consumer segment, here again we are quite upbeat because we do see the consumer demand going up. The infrastructure spending already has been rising, and due to the technology and the quality of our products, the kind of compliances which we have, the adherence to the standards what we have, I believe we have a very good opportunity to look at supplying either to government or to the private demand which will come in this segment, and also having a pan-India network of over 1,000 dealers, distributors, almost 85,000 retailers. So that again gives us a huge scope and an opportunity to reach out to our consumers on a pan-India basis.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us insightful information of HPL. Thank you to joining us.